Hi everybody, it's Tina Plackinger. Yeah, you can just look right above the my fence line there. They're cleaning everything out. They go to great lengths to have access to me. After my last video, what they started to do was burn these really nasty chemicals. Okay, they've been burning these nasty chemicals over there that linger in the air for many hours afterwards. And when it's burning, whatever it is, I lived at the state park and worked there in the forest in Alabama for 9 months. I never smelled anything like it, okay? And I was on the premises 24/7. So I don't know, but when it does burn, it's a dark grayish blue-black, and it's very nasty. So I don't know if it's a carcinogen, I guess they're called, or what it is, but I've never smelled. It's not burning things, okay? I've smelled a lot of things, okay? And this is very unusual, and I'm sure it's, I don't know, they want to have better access. So that's what's going on over there. They're cleaning out all these trees in between me, my yard, and that house. Anyways, I made a video. I'm still waiting for spiritual clearance on it. It's about a dream I had. And I am going to post it as soon as I have spiritual clearance on it, okay? So anyways, I just wanted to keep you guys posted what's going on. I decorated some of my yard here. Okay, with my wreath. Okay, yeah, you can see all that on the top there, the top of the fence line. They're cleaning all that out. There you go. There's a good shot. Yeah, right up to my fence, I'm sure. Got to get it all cleared out. You know, it hasn't been cleared out for about, 11 years. So, yeah, this is what's going on. Anyways, thanks for joining me. I don't want this to be too boring. But it's just to show you the extremes that they go to. Oh yeah, they're going to take it all down right up to the fence. Yeah. For no other reason, but to have more access to me. So, I just pray that my dog's lungs are okay when she's outside all day and she has to smell whatever it is that they're burning over there on occasion. Many times they will start the burning of it and then leave. So, yeah, they're going to take out all that. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll talk to you again.